13.3. E bit we should learn first one. Now second one, 67,94,235 divide 168. So 168 table we wrote here. 168 into 2. If we multiply into 2, we get 168 2s are 336. 168 3s are 504. 168 4s are 672. 168 5s are 840. 168 6s are 1008. 168 7s are 1176. 168 8s are 1344. 168 9s are 1512. 168 10s are 1680. So 168 table we wrote here. Next what we should do? Write in divide form. Okay, write in divide form. So next 168. If we take one digit, 6 is less than. If we take 2 digits, 67 is less than 168. We should take 3 digits, 679. See here. If we have 679 here, 300, 500, 600. But here we have 679, here 672. If we take 840, greatest number we can't take. So we should take 672 only. So 168 4s are 672. So take minus. Okay. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 minus 7 0. 6 minus 6 0. Take one number after completion. So 74. Here 2 digits. Here 3 digits. So not possible. So what we should do? Take another digit. Before taking another digit, we should write 0 here compulsory and take here another digit. See here 742. If you have 700 here, see 3, 5, 6, 8, 10. 700 not there. So take below number, less than number. So again take 672 only. So 4s are 672. Take minus. 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 7 not possible. Take borrow. Here 14. Here 6. 7. 14 minus 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 7. 7. And 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay. Next take another digit 3. 703. 2 minus 2 is 0. 14 minus 7 is 7. 703. If you have 700, no, not there. You have 800, 600. So again take 600 only. 672. So 4s are 672. Take minus. 3 minus 2 is 1. Take borrow. Here 10. Here 6. 10 minus 7 is 3. 6 minus 6 is 0. And last number we have 5. 315. We have 315 in the answers. Check 336, 504. But we does not have 315. So what we should do? Take ones only. 168 ones are 168. Take minus here. 5 minus 8 not possible. Take borrow. 15 here 0. 15 minus 7 8 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 7. And 0 minus 6 not possible. Take borrow here 2. 10 minus 6 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. 147. So we already know. This is quotient. This is divisor. This is divided. And this is remainder. Okay. So we have verification formula. Verification. For this we have formula. Quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. Quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. Okay. Substitute quotient 40,441 into divisor 168 plus remainder 147. If we solve this, we should get divided answer. So we got the correct answer. So first we multiply 40441 into 168. 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 32, 8 fours are 32 plus 3, 33, 34, 35. 5, 3 carry, 0, 3, 8 fours are 32 and 1 6 are 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24, 4 to carry, 6 fours are 24 plus 2, 26, 6 to carry, 6 zeros are 0 plus 2, 2, 6 fours are 24 and next 1, that is 1 ones are 1, 1 fours are 4, 1 fours are 4, 1 zeros are 0, 1 fours are 4. Okay. Now plus addition. 8, 6 plus 2 8, 5 plus 4 9, plus 1 10, 0 1, 6 plus 4 10, plus 3 13, plus 1 14, 4 1 carry, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 1 9 and 4 plus 3 7, 4 plus 2 6. Multiplication completed and we have here plus 147. Add for this 6 7 9 4 0 8 8 plus 147. Addition here. Next 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. 5 1 carry. 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 1 13 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. Here 4 9 7 6. See, you got the enrolled answer 67 lakhs 94,235. Check here, divided 67 lakhs 94,235. Equal or not? Equal. So this total process is correct. See, first of all we wrote 168 table there by multiplying 2, 3, 4 like that up to 10. 2s are 3s are like that. Next divided form 168 divided by 67 lakhs 94,235 and divided by completed. And next verification. For this we have formula quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to divided. So we have multiplied and next added, we got the answer and these two are equal. Okay, write this in fair notes.